Hi everyone, we are in Kitchen Kettle Village in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and today we are going to be touring this awesome store, Country Life, which is one of the shops in Kitchen Kettle Village. I haven't been through the entire store in quite a while, so I thought it would be fun to go through. It's larger than you think, let me tell you. I forgot how large it was. It's decorated so cute, and outside they have all of these, seasonal decorations. Right now they have all this cool 4th of July. Here's a neat American flag bench right on the front porch. Lots of cute garden decorations, pots, lanterns, just a lot of cool things. And they have neat fountains in here too. I love this fountain. 124, I love that. Let's head inside, and right when you walk in, they have all of this great 4th of July decorations and, accessories. It looks so colorful, and the store is decorated beautifully. So we'll just start right here, and we'll kind of walk around the bottom floor, and they have all these nice candles and, wreaths. A lot of battery-operated candles as well, and it smells amazing in here. Whatever potpourri or candle they have burning, it smells so good. These are cute pollinator seed pops to grow wildflowers. That's so cute. What a cute gift. Or for yourself, for your garden. Lots of cute bird houses. All different sizes, shapes, and colors. And just tons of really cute garden decor in here. Lamps, and lots of different really cute, wooden signs for your wall or your shelves. Lots of neat sayings. I like the cow in the bathtub. That'd be cute for your bathroom. That's cute. Shelf sitters, $8.99. Here's rustic palette art. And the same thing, really cute sayings and paintings on them. I love that cow and chick. That's adorable. But they have tons of really awesome home decor. Lots of, the silk flowers. And over here they have all kinds of great candles and all kinds of scents. These are really neat. I like these flickering candles. These are beautiful. Oh, they're actually mini fountains. They're awesome. This is $24.99. These are glass cases. They are super cute. Lots of unique items in here. Definitely a cool place. And it smells amazing here. They have all these, room sprays and potpourri and bags. It smells amazing right here. Over here, there's tons more wall art. Lots and lots of different choices. Lamps, and then check these out. These are beautiful. These are gourds, and they paint them to, all these different, these are gourd birdhouses. Some of them are decorative gourds, but these are so cute. Look at these owl gourds, frogs, little cutouts. Really cute decorations for your home. These are so cool. And it shows you how to take care of your gourds. This is a beautiful lantern. I love that big brass ring on the top. And it's 50% off. So it's $94, so whatever, about $47 for that giant lantern. And over here are more gourds that are painted for the holidays. Excuse my voice, I have a little crack in my voice, but aren't those adorable? And here's some for Halloween and fall. Super, super cool. Here's a section of Swan Creek wax melts, and these smell really good too. Over here, I noticed they have these really cool locally made shelves, and I really like the look of them. The wood, and then, the wrought iron brackets, and they have all different sizes here that you can take home with you. That's pretty neat. Neat fountains. That's a cute dog fountain. I love the fountains in here. I got a fountain in here a long, long, long time ago. And I forgot how many neat fountains they have. Let's check out over in this section some more lamps and kitchen supplies. A lot of cool stuff for your kitchen. Really cool trays, Lazy Susans, all kinds of neat gadgets. And look at these adorable mugs. I love that. Silicone rooster spoon holder, $6.99. That's pretty cute. So yeah, a lot of like some different items in here, a lot of unique items. And here's some more beautiful artwork. A lot of paintings on this in this section here, really beautiful things. There's some kitchen kettle bags for sale. And then up at the landing here, let's walk up to the second floor. They have all these nice paintings. And then here's a sign, visit upstairs. Linens, braided jute rugs, Amish crafts, and more. So we'll take a look up here. There's just things in every little nook and cranny. There's a lot of stuff in here. And look how cute this little display is on this landing. We'll check out this side first. And what a beautiful little area this is of Christmas decorations. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at all these neat Christmas things. Boy, I'll have to definitely remember to come back to this store at Christmas time. I love that snowman. Really cute stuff here for Christmas. All these neat lights. Really cool stuff. And I'm sure this is just like a small section of Christmas. You know they probably have like tons of Christmas stuff that comes out during the holidays. So that's up here on this top floor on the right side as you come up the steps are the Christmas things. And now we'll go down over on this side, which is more awesome home decor items. All these neat lamps and vases and stuff like that. Pottery. I love this lamp. It's like seagrass. I love that look. Really pretty things. Over here are a bunch of smaller lamps, different bases to choose from, and lampshades. Lots of different lampshades over in this section. So that's pretty cool. I forgot they had all this kind of stuff in here. And then look at all these great placemats and table runners in this section. I love these. These are super cool. More beautiful lamps. Look at that. I like that with the lantern, the flickering light inside. That's really pretty. These are great too. I like all this stuff. Oh, 50% off. These are 50% off. So there are things that are marked down on sale as well. Over here are lots of table runners in all different lengths and patterns. Pretty things. When we were upstairs looking at the Christmas things, it was kind of funny. I was thinking to myself, oh, it's only like 120 degrees today, and thinking about Christmas. But I was getting kind of excited looking at the Christmas decorations. Here's all these beautiful jute rugs. And they have lots and lots of different patterns and sizes. These are really pretty. I love these. I actually have a few of these at home. Not this pattern, but a different pattern. These are the jute coasters. And they are $3.99 each. Buy 3, get the 4th free. So that's pretty decent. And they have lots of cool pictures on them. They even have like an Amish wagon if you wanted to take one back for a souvenir. It's kind of a cute souvenir. And then more jute placemats and stuff like that. There's another Amish buggy. So cute things in jute, that's for sure. And if you don't see the size, they can order it. So that's even really cool. More lamps and just a lot of cool stuff for your kitchen and pottery, coffee mugs. Beautiful, beautiful things here. All things, even baskets up there. Isn't this a pretty building though? Look how pretty. I love the wood and the beams and stuff like that. Some furniture here for sale. And then we'll just peek over here real quick in this room. There's lots of really beautiful furniture. Lots more home decor and lamps and accessories and stuff like that. But they have lots of really nice quality furniture as well. Really pretty kitchen and dining tables, pillows. A lot of good stuff up here. And there's Kitchen Kettle Village parking lot. All right, let's head back downstairs. Here's a pretty barn star. That's a nice price. That's a big star there. We'll head back downstairs. We only have one more room and this little area to explore. And in this room, when you come down the steps, they have the world's best dishcloth. So if you want the world's best dishcloth, they have it here. And then over here, these are really cute. These are all sun catchers, but they're so unique. I love them. Over here, there's like little, I call them like doilies there. And then straight ahead, they have really awesome kitchen dish mats and towels and just some cool dishcloths. Cool stuff. This wall has lots of, bath and body items, really good smelling stuff. Room sprays and lotions and oils. So, and there's the testers if you want to try anything out. They have plenty of testers. Over here they have, look, that's a cute little crock. That would be a good souvenir to take home from Lancaster County. I like that. Or if you're even in Lancaster County, it's pretty cool. And then over here they have the handmade brooms in different sizes. There's more of the jute coasters and placemats. A lot of battery operated flickering candles down here. These are cool. And they're on timers. That's really neat. I like those candles. They're neat to set around in different spots. More kitchen things like, for dips and sauces and stuff like that. They have cute things like that here. And then over here, these are girly tape measures. I love these because every time I need a tape measure, you get your husband's tape measure, and it's always like the big bulky silver ones, but those are like adorable feminine tape measures that they have here. I love them. Over here, they have lots of garden flags in all different sizes. House flags, garden flags, and they have lots and lots of them to choose from. They're always fun. Over on this far wall here, they have all of the interchangeable mats, those inserts, which are really fun. So if you have like the main mat, then you can get all these different inserts to change them out seasonally. So they have them here too. And there's the base mats, I call them, and then you can get the inserts for them. I didn't know they had that. And then here's some more beautiful kitchen towels and all kinds of patterns. Bad decisions often make good stories. Don't want to tell my kids that. Good friends don't let you do stupid things alone. That's funny. So they have really cute things in here. More battery operated candles, really pretty ones though, like with all the flowers painted on them. Well, this is a great shop. Country Life in Kitchen Kettle Village. Definitely plan on spending some time here because it's gigantic, but they have awesome things. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.